What is up, you guys? It's Brennick here again. I am in Zolfo Springs, Florida. I'm doing these videos kind of solo because I'm actually nowhere close to Kissimmee, Florida like I usually am. Like I said, I'm in Zolfo Springs. This is actually my hometown. I'm visiting family, so I'm here. If you've seen our previous video, my truck is back on the road running again. And I didn't mention I was gonna do my grill install, and I have the grill right here in a box. Check it out, you guys. The holes here on top where the screws go into. I believe these are the clips it has. I guess they snap in the bottom or something. I have to look at it. I haven't looked at it yet, but those are the clips. And I'm fixing to go ahead and open the hood and trying to get the old one off. I got my tools here in the back of the truck, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so these screws right here are actually a 5.5 millimeter socket. I'm using a little ratchet, so I'm gonna get them off of here, and hopefully this thing just pulls right off. I'm not too sure how it comes off, but we're fixing to figure it out. I got all 4 little screws out of here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're right there. And this thing is just, looks like it's just sitting in there. Hopefully it just comes off right here. Let me give it a shot real quick. I don't want to break anything. Alright, I figured the trick out. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 clips down there. Right there. What I got is a real small screwdriver. I've already gotten the first 2 out. I gotta get 3 more out. So I'm just using this right here. And you push this down right here, and it comes out just like that. I really don't want to break anything, man. This is why I like doing shit by myself, but there's that. Well, I'm gonna do this one first. There's that one and that one. And that should be it right there. Hells yeah, son. So there's the old grill taken off of the truck, just like that. And I'll get back with you guys putting the new one on. So the clips went back in on the bottom. They just popped in. I got all 4 screws already all tightened up. So it's pretty secure. I think it looks pretty damn good, to be honest with you, compared to the other one. Check it out. Especially that Ford shit. That shit is awesome. Let's go ahead and close the damn hood. You know what? I need to tighten this up right here. I don't like that. So yeah, that little screw right there is a 7/16. But yeah, the grill's on. I'm gonna go ahead and close the hood and check it out. Give it a look. Damn. I like it already. I got a brand new truck. Get that shit out. What the fuck? Hold on, just a second. Alright, I had a little problem. I had a little bit of a hood gap there. I was kind of getting scared. I was going to be looking like an idiot on the road. But it's pretty Other than up here, it's kind of a little gap, but that's not actually too bad. It's not as bad in person than on camera. But yeah, that's it right there. Check it out, man. Well, I just found out that it's hard as hell to make a video by yourself. So, yeah, probably no more of these. But I'm pretty far from the other guys from Blacked Out Power. So, next time we'll do one together for sure. All right. Like I said, stay tuned, guys. There's more things coming to this truck and Eduardo's truck. I don't know what he has coming for his, really. All I know is I gotta start budgeting myself, man, because I got other stuff I gotta do to this thing, so, and I'm excited. So yeah, y'all should definitely check out our later videos we're gonna have. Yeah, please like and subscribe, and yeah, feel free to watch our other videos, and we'll get back with you guys. See ya.